selling right here. So how do we get in? Information around here, I just use the first candle that our trading supply and demand is best to wait for a reaction. This supply zone right here, right? Remember, supply is when the market's going down, demand is actually when the market's going up. So notice how we have this aggressive selling. This is not us, guys. We can't push down the market like that. Again, this is the big players that have billions of dollars that can actually move up the market. So we want to follow them because, again, they are much smarter, quicker than us. They have more information than us. So we need to follow these guys. Hey, what if the market never comes back to the level? Oh well, skip that trade and wait for the next.
I'm mad I ain't hop in, man. Damn. Look at all that fucking money, man. Damn. I missed it. We gotta catch the next trade, man.
I ain't got the time. He gonna want more than just, he gonna wanna come spend a day. As soon as you tell him no, it's like you never told him yeah.
I started practicing doing tattoos, y'all. I think I do pretty good. I can show y'all a whole bunch more of these. I done did so many of these, but we're gonna start doing tattoos, man. Y'all gotta stay tuned for the journey. Oh, we about to eat good. Ain't even playing, no. About to eat some cookies. Bacon with tycoon. I woke up on the moon. Yeah. Alright, y'all, we finna bake some cookies, man. We're gonna have a little snacky snack. I'm trying to sit y'all up somewhere, but I don't know where. We got some chocolate chip cookies we finna eat. Cookie man. So we're gonna put the timer on see what the package say. 12 to 13 minutes. We're gonna put it on 13 minutes. Let's go. They ain't even in yet and I click start.
You supposed to
preheat it?
Oh, you did?
I did it.
Wait till the heat.
I did.
Is heat already?
Oh no. It's still on pre. For real? Wait till it beat?
That means it's heated to.
That means all. Okay, so I'll wait till it beat first, y'all. Still preheating. And wait till it beat. Earl just told me. Okay.
Then you can put it in for the amount of time.
On 13 minutes. Okay. Till we golden brown. Yeah. We gonna make it out. Yeah. I was in the drought. Yeah. But I got some clout. Ooh. Rain it. Yeah. Yo, that ain't what it's about. Ooh, what? That ain't what it's about. Yo, I'm a savage, boy, don't run your mouth. Yo, I'm a real nigga, I ain't playing. Yo, whole lot of money, man. Tycoon the goon. I ain't playing with these tunes. Yo. Yeah. Ooh.
Get this money like a bat.
Yeah. I get this money like a bag. Hey. I'll be really killing it though. Killing the freestyle for real. So we freestyling and we having some fun.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know what's up? Ooh.
Yeah. Green beans back together.
Yeah.
Ooh. You already know how I feel.
Yo. I really feel.
Yeah.
Boy, Oh, you know we about to touch a meal.
Touch the meal.
Yeah.
Bill, flip the meal, get it back. Got to get the money, cause you know we gon' holla at.
Ooh.
The beat slid away. It's okay.
Yeah.
We gonna do it.
You know we go acapella.
Acapella.
Acapella, Nikki. Just heard the beat, so the freaking cookies about to go in the oven. Yes, indeed. We ready. I'm putting it right here on the first rack.
Very nice.
Yeah. 13 minutes on the clock. Let's do it. Cookies. Gotta get the bread. Gotta get the money. I ain't even playing. I ain't looking funny. Gotta get the bread. Yo. If the cook is done, cause it been 13 minutes, yeah. Let's see, they looking good. I keep rapping y'all, but so about to see if the cook is done. Cause I don't know.
How long you had up in there?
13 minutes.
How long is that to happen?
13 minutes. 12 to 13.
It should be good then.
Okay. Then take them out right now. Cookies just got out. They about to sit. They look good, y'all. Y'all want some? Yum, 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 yum. Eat up. Take my first bite of these cookies, man. They look fire. Check them out. Yeah. Cook. These cookies. Hey, y'all want a piece? God. Mmm. 20 out of 20 on the cookies. Tacos! It's a content day, y'all. We gotta go get this content, yo. So, it Earl. Yeah. It's super lit right now. We're finna go out to the park. Finna go buy some water and write, and we about to go get some studying in, trading. We about to have an amazing content day and just have fun, you know. That's what we doing today, man. I'm super excited. Y'all take this pic out. Yeah. A young nigga fly, nigga, yeah. Look, check out the film. Yeah. Yeah. Tacos. See what it is. Got the all black, got the wealthy kind on, you know what I'm saying. Feeling real good, feeling real smooth. I might take you later. Kidding, guys, kidding.
How can I be successful?
Still making rap music cause I want more. All money in, it's just us four. You should try and do what we done. Make $1 million while you young. Can't be acting like a bitch trying to get saved, bro. Get that dirt off your shoulders.
Yeah.
You was in the house, now we the runaway slaves, huh?
Hey, y'all follow me on Instagram, man. Go flick it up over there. Make $1 million while you young. 2024 is amazing. It's literally day 3 of February. Now I said February the 3rd, and we on our grind, but we've been on our grind since forever. Cause it's all about timing. Content, man, content, gang. You feel me? This is the behind the scenes.
Makes you inspired, you know what it is. You making nothing out of something, you handle your biz. And don't be crying and stuff.
Hey, so saying? The dream team right
I
here.
feel like we need to do it one more time. And stop being so.
Hey man, real deal. Content.
It's a B. Oh, don't be scared. Don't be scared. They're gonna eat your ass up.
Yeah. Anything for the shot. Let's get it. Yeah.
Are y'all ready?
For sure you right on. Cool. Okay, how was that?
I ain't even look. Dang.
Ooh! Oh my God! We lit off the shade! Man, so... Yo!
Yes, huh?
Hey, we rich.
Oh yeah.
Oh! Hey, we finna kill him. We finna kill him. Alright, bet. Say less. Alright. So, YouTube! We so freaking lit. We so freaking rich. You already know Tycoon with the plan. Yeah. How was it? So good? Alright. Y'all see the BTS going on right now?
I ain't do the B-roll. Oh, you.
Okay. Ooh. Wow. That's what I'm talking about. So thank you. Appreciate you. We lit it. Content geniuses. We just got some amazing clips. It is so nice and peaceful out here when I tell y'all, man. snapping, y'all. What the freak we snapping, man?
Yeah.
Look at that.
Can they see it?
Yeah, they can see.
Whoa, I didn't even know it. It's shades. I'm glad I took them off.
Bro, your
Wow.
skin is freaking popping 1,000 million.
Thank you, Victor.
Wow.
Let's see the alligators move. Oh, they ain't alligators at all.
Show where you see the alligators.
Nobody can say any different.
Earl think these gators.
Come with this one.
Which one?
That one with his mouth open.
The one with his mouth open. Y'all, them gators, y'all let us know in the comment section right now. Because
I don't believe the
it's
game.
extremely confident that them gators over there, man. This so peaceful though, y'all. I love it. I'm gonna take a moment right here. We sitting just like them. We sitting just like them.
Going to get that money.
That was going to get that money, man. They were going to get that money, man. We sitting just like they was and set it off.
$1 bills, y'all.
this is like one of the greatest experiences of 2024 yet. Because we out here connecting.
Yeah.
Like,
You grounded us.
you know?
I've been eating some of the water too.
For real. Right. They bring you all back. Bring you straight in. Fully with you. It feels good. It feels so good out here, man. It's a great, beautiful day. For real. It's a beautiful day. Yay, 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 yay. See y'all at Starbucks. Alright, y'all. So we came to Starbucks. We started back testing. You know what I'm saying? Day trading. You know what I mean? We always back testing. We did a challenge and see anyways, yeah, we was back testing. I forgot what I was saying. Bro, we was back testing. I forgot what I was saying. Okay. Like, you know, reading some on my phone, but man, we had a great day today, and I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. It was very therapeutic and peaceful. We at Starbucks right now, as y'all can freaking see. Oh, we just had a blast today, y'all. But right now, we're finna get ready to go get something to eat, and then we're finna go. You know what I'm saying? We'll see y'all in it, but damn, I look good. Might be a thumbnail on, so you know how I'm feeling. Yeah, man, this the team. The dream team, for real. You know what I'm saying? Coming to a screen near you. No, screen is on you right now. Hit the subscribe and the notification and the thumbs up right now. Let me see y'all in the next video. I'm super lit. I'm tired. Okay. You know I'm lying. Lying. Body to body. Skin to skin. I'm never gonna love like this again. Hey, man. We out.